Invisalign MA has been a game changer in that now we have an appliance that will function as a functional appliance for Class 2 skeletal correction. But not only can we do the AP correction, we can simultaneously level and align the dental arches, leading to a more efficient treatment time with an equivalent clinical outcome.
Right now, I'm starting an IPP program, and that means I can do my clean check automatically and according to what I prescription for them. So make everything quicker and better.
So I love working with Live Update and Invisalign Personalized Plan. For the first time ever, I am getting a customized prescription back baked right into the software, and I'm getting that back the first time, which means that the ClinCheck treatment plans are set up more to my liking. The first time, it requires fewer modifications, and it allows me to get my patients into treatment faster.
When you're first starting out of practice, you have so many different expenses and a lot of fears about how those expenses are actually going to end up panning out. But I would say one of the biggest integral pieces right from the beginning was a digital iTero scanner. Having that visual tool for the patients to be able to kind of really see what their outcomes could possibly be like gave a lot of patients that hope. And it was something that was an integral part of, differentiating our practice early on. And now it's continued to be a key piece of having patients come to our practice, knowing what the possibilities could be.
Class 2 malocclusions accounts for 20 to 25% of the population, generally speaking. So it is a big part of our practices. So when the mandibular advancement, the MA features took place, when the study took place in 2016, I was one of 10 doctors that started that study, that pilot study for Align technology. I have to tell you, I was a little bit skeptic as to whether this is going to work or not. That changed around in the first 6 months. As soon I had my share of 12 patients that were under the study, skepticism turned into amazement, I have to tell you, because the results were not only amazing on some of the patients, but on every single one of those 12 patients. Today, I cannot see my practice not having mandibular advancement feature